This EPPIC tutorial video will cover the initial part of pre-processing, which entails defining bodies using grid zones. An imported grid file may include several grids, and multiple grid files can be used for a simulation. EPPIC uses bodies to combine grids in order to define closed geometrical regions. To begin, first import a plot3d file using the Import tab under the File menu. Select the grid file needed for your project and click Open. If using a grid file that is comprised of multiple grids, each one can be imported selectively. To import all the components, select all the individual grids from the menu by clicking each one, or by pressing Ctrl-A. When imported, each grid forms a zone. The zones are listed in the Simulations Items panel. The Options panel for each zone can be accessed by double-clicking its name. In EPPIC, it is recommended to organize all zones into bodies. To create a new body, click the Create New Body icon. A modification panel for the body will appear on the right-hand side of the screen. To add zones to the body, either drag and drop them from the Simulations Items panel, or right-click the Zones Inside list area and select Modify Zones Inside. Removing zones from the body can also be done using this menu, or by selecting a given zone and pressing the Delete key. Enabling multi-block enables searching from multi-block interfaces. Enabling cut zones allows a body to cut through other zones.